Sounds nice, doesn't it? That's the point. The more polished the phrase, the uglier the truth it's hiding. Let's decode the lies they dress up in comfort. What does entitlement reform usually mean in political terms? Cuts to Social Security and Medicare. What does school choice often imply in U.S. education debates? Diverting public school funds to private or charter schools. When politicians talk about regulatory relief, what are they usually doing? Rolling back environmental or labor protections. What's usually meant by voter integrity laws? Restrictions that make voting harder. What does job creators really mean in most political speeches? The wealthy and big corporations. What's hidden under the phrase trickle-down economics? Tax breaks for the rich with vague benefits for everyone else. Cashback programs for low-income earners. Deregulation favoring large corporations. What's meant by law and order in many political ads? Increased policing and criminalization, especially in poor communities. What is patriotic education often code for? Nationalist revisionism that downplays historical injustice. If this didn't make you flinch, you weren't paying attention. Hit subscribe, share with someone still falling for the phrasing, and remember, when tyranny comes, it'll be called freedom.